If you need to modify the roof size footprint, for example to define a roof overhang, these modifications will have to be made before starting to insert the roof slopes. With the single segment in select mode, we can change a node position by using the blue grips at the ends. With the purple grip, we can move the entire segment and freely define the new position, or directly type in the value. Let's suppose we need to insert an eave all the way around. We can use the offset command to move all roof perimeter segments at a specified distance. With the additional toolbar features, also available in the local menu, we can also remove or add additional nodes on the selected segment. Or we can even convert it to an arc.